Master Oogway, you summoned me. Is something wrong?
Why must something be wrong for me to want to see my old friend?
So, nothing's wrong?
Well, I didn't say that.
You were saying?
I have had a vision. Tai Lung will return.
That is impossible. He is in prison.
Nothing is impossible.
Zing! Fly to Chalgum prison and tell them to double the guards, double the weapons, double everything. Tai Lung does not leave that prison.
Yes, Master Shifu!
One often meets his destiny on the road he takes to avoid it.
We have to do something. We can't just let him march on the valley and take his revenge. He'll...
Your mind is like this water, my friend. When it is agitated, it becomes difficult to see. But if you allow it to settle, the answer becomes clear.
The Dragon Scroll.
It is time.
But who? Who is worthy to be trusted with the secret to limitless power to become the Dragon Warrior?
I don't know.
Excuse me. Me? Sorry. Ooh, sorry. Hey, watch it, Poe. Sorry. Suck it up. Ooh, sorry. Doesn't pardon. What? Oh, Master Oogway's choosing the Dragon Warrior. Today! Everyone, go! Get to the Jade Palace! One of the 5 is gonna get the Dragon Scroll. We've been waiting 1,000 years for this. Just take the bowl! This is the greatest day in Kung Fu history. Don't worry about it, just go!
Oh! Where are you going?
To the Jade Palace?
But you're forgetting your noodle cart. The whole valley will be there, and you'll sell noodles to all of them.
Selling noodles? But Dad, you know, I was kind of thinking maybe
Yeah? Uh-huh.
could also sell the bean buns. They're about to go bad.
That's my boy. I told you that dream was a sign.
Yeah. Glad I had it.
Almost there.
What?
No! Oh, no!
Sorry, Poe. We'll bring you back a souvenir. No. I'll bring me back a souvenir.
It is an historic day, isn't it, Master Oogway?
Yes, and one I feared I would not live to see. Are your students ready?
Yes, Master Oogway.
Now know this, old friend. Whomever I choose will not only bring peace to the valley, but also to you.